Alright, today I got 3 packs. I got HS Triumphant. Yeah, that was the other one. Heart and Gold Soul Silver and Platinum Arcurious. Yeah, I can pronounce that. Let's start with this one. Whoops. Oi, get out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This book's still here, right? Okay, I got an Electrite. That's how you say it, Electrite. A Pikachu. A Ghastly. A Burmai? Oh, Beedrill. Nice Beedrill. A Brozong. Oh, it looked hollow. Ultimate Zone Stadium. That looks, yeah, nice. Another Ghastly. Okay. And Hunter's my inverse. And the Brozong is my rare. Okay, now it's gonna open the Heart Gold Silver. Soul Silver. Yeah, I didn't like that pack too much. One, two, three, 1, 2. Oh, Chansey. I got a Chansey. Look at that Chansey. That's a nice Chansey. That's nice. A Hoppin. A Phanpy. Cool. Ooh, Fierce Pikachu. A Caterpie. A Flaffy. A Dolphin. A Heracross? I don't have that one. Ooh, an inverse Pokemon reversal. That's nice. Oh, you serious? That's a Pichu. Okay, that's nice. I guess I'll get another one. Okay. Now some HS Triumphant. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, it's Carvanha, an Ipum. Ooh, Lickitung. Look at that Lickitung. Ilimus, something like that. Swablu, a Haunter. A Rescue Energy. A Seeker supporter. Ooh, Rapidash inverse. It's nice. And an Ambipom as my rare. Yeah, I like this one better. That's nice. Well, I guess until next time, alright?